Happy Mother's Day.
No, ayusin mo. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Look at that, guys. Regalo ni Nathan kay Papa niya for Father's Day. Gawa niya yan sa school. Wow. Ay, hala. Nakakatawa pa talaga masyado. May gummy bear siya. Mga 5 days na to dito. Inubos niya lahat ng gummies. Wala na. May isa pa pala na natira. Pag-initan niya na naman yan ngayon. Binigay ko na ang gummies. 5 gummies yan. Andito. Inaraw-araw niya talaga. Mama, ibigay na natin ang gift kay Papa. Ano kaya ito sa loob? Kita niyo yung, diba, regalo ni Nathan for Mother's Day. Gumagawa po sila sa school. Ito naman kay Daniel today. Buksan natin ito mamaya. Gawan po natin siya ng breakfast. Kasi Father's Day. Madalas siya po talaga ang gumagawa ng breakfast. Huwag nyo na muna ako tingnan ngayon, guys. Ha? Kaya wala pa ako ligo. Mamaya na. Baka masyakay sa itsura ko. Happy Father's Day! Ikaw magbigay. Ikaw magbigay. Sabihin mo kay Papa.
Wow. Thank you, Belle.
What is that, my love?
For Papa, vanaf Daniel.
Yeah. Baka may mga drawing yan. Wow. Ginawa mo yan sa school, Bebe Love, for Papa? Huh? Oh.
Oh, mijn papa is altijd op tijd.
Dobby, show us the one. It's like
this is fun. You can use this in the car, like the blue card.
You can use this?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so. You need to use the blue card.
You can use this.
Oh. Dobby, tapos may drawing ni Nathan, guys. Yan, dinuwingan niya po.
Ja, die komt mooi in de auto.
Kaganda naman yan, oy.
Dankjewel, lieve kerel.
Mahal, you know. I love you so much and we are so thankful that you are the father of my son. And I ordered something. It happened that instead of arriving it yesterday, it will arrive tomorrow. So it's a little bit late.
Oh.
Sorry. I love you so much. And my gift for you is always late. That's why.
Not like this one, always on time.
I love you. Happy Father's Day. We love you so much. Kiss Papa kay Father's Day. Late ang gift natin kay Daniel, guys. Bad trip masyado. So, what do you want to do today as a Father's Day gift for you? Do you want to watch a movie with us? Do you want to eat lunch with us or dinner with us, or do you want to go to your
why you think I want to not eat lunch and dinner with you?
Or do you want eat lunch? No, dinner is better. It's very yummy. Or do you want to go to the palace of yours with all the board games?
You know what I want to do?
Yes.
I want to eat apples and banana.
Ngek.
I want to oat apples and bananas.
Ngek. Hapunan na tayo sa pag-vlog, guys. Hindi po ako nakapag-vlog kanina. Kay grabe ko kapagod. 2:00 na po ako nakatulog. Tapos si Nathan kaaga po nagising. Tapos ang ginawa na lang nila, nagpunta po sila kay Omahiska. Hindi po ako nakasama. Pinatulog ako ni Daniel. Tapos si Nathan naman, kakagising lang po nito. Sabi ko, punta na tayo sa... Yes! Punta na tayo sa city. Kaya magtingin-tingin po tayo doon. Tapos may dinner po kami mamaya. Pinatulog ko siya kasi. Ha? Hindi ka. Dito ka kay mama magsakay. Saan daw ang niya, ang bike niya. Pinatulog ko kay para pwede tayo mag-late mag-uwi. No? Tingnan nyo sino nakita natin, guys. Si Diana naglalakad. Dito siya nag-walking. Malapit naman to sa bahay niya. Magpunta yan siya dito ngayon. Yeah. There is Oma. Yeah, we're eating out for Father's Day.
Hello. Hello, Oma.
Bell so good. Kamusta daw siya? Very good daw. We're eating out, Vika, with the, what is that? Eat all you can.
Okay.
Yeah, for the Father's Day. How about you? What are you doing tonight?
I already ate.
Oh, you already ate?
Yeah, tussen de
You want to go with us?
No, I don't want to eat twice.
At hindi na yan siya makakaya ng ano guys, ng eat all you can.
Yeah.
Ja, doe ik die in de oren zo.
Dito tayo, oh. May patubig. Andoon siya kanina. Kita ko nandun pa siya sa kalahati pa doon nung naglalakad. Kita ko siya sa Bika, Bika. Grabe sigaw-sigaw ko guys. Kasi sa diyan siya ngayon. Hindi niya siya makakaya. Vika cannot also eat a lot of ano dahil sa kanyang tiyan. Tapos mapunta kami sa ano tawag dyan, eat all you can.
Daarom vind ik die dingen niet fijn. Dat gebruik ik helemaal niet.
Nee, ik kan dus ook niet.
That's new, Vika. You bought that? That's
Yeah.
new? Ah?
Hip, hè?
Hip daw, hippie.
Hip,
Hip uray. Meron siyang yung ano yan, yung uso-uso ngayon na igano na lang. Oh. Andito po tayo sa labas ng Albert Heijn. Kay si Daniel magbili daw ng antihistamine guys. Kaya baka may makain ako doon mga itlog-itlog, mga mayonnaise, no? Saan ka magpunta ngayon sa?
Sa restaurant.
Anong kainin mo?
Ice cream and sushi.
Ice cream and sushi. Super daming sushi ang kainin mo ha? Ay, hindi natin nadala ang chopsticks mo. Na, next time na lang. Nakalimutan. Meron ba yun siyang sa bahay? Sorry, nakalimutan. Nakapark na po tayo dito sa city. Maaga pa, 4:15. Yeah. Kaya nagpark na muna kami dito. Malapit lang naman yung restaurant dito. No? Pagkatapos natin kumain, baka magpunta tayo kay Bianan. Ayan na, nakaano na tayo. Grabe ang mga paano natin dyan, kadena. Ay nakakatakot guys, kadinahan talaga dapat yan. Lalo na yung bike ko kasi electric po yan. Dapat talaga na ingatan. Taka ka na lang, wala na yan dyan, kinarga na. Are you hungry, mahal? I'm super hungry, no? Did you eat snack?
No, but I'm not super hungry. It's fine.
Super hungry. Bebe love, are you hungry?
I am hungry.
I am too. Maghintay pa tayo kasi mamaya pa daw sila magbukas, alas 5. Tapos 4:15 pa lang.
Sushi.
Maglakad-lakad muna tayo, okay? Sa city, maglakad-lakad, magtingin-tingin. Kalamigod ng hangin, guys. In fairness. Buti na lang nagdala ako ng jacket ni Nathan pa uwi. Ay, oh, ang outfit niya ngayon, oh. Malamig ang hangin. Pero mas malamig po ito mamaya, no? Dito tayo sa mga ano na naman. Pa-watch niya, guys.
Cookies ate.
You want cookie? Agoy, gutom na siya. Electric pan man siguro yan. Dito na tayo sa mga laruan, guys.
Mama.
Ha? 425 pa. Na. Sabi niya po, ito ay napakamahal. Sorry. Ano?
This is all to do. I'm
Nasyak ako. Tinitingnan niya ang presyo. Sabi niya, hindi ito kay napakamahal. Grabe ang pagkagutom ko, guys. Hindi normal.
Veel te duur. Kunnen papa en mama ook niet betalen deze.
May nakita ako doon. Nagustuhan ko na kwintas, guys. Gold. Kaganda. Alam niyo magkano? 1,300. Sus, mabili ko mga ano yung sa atin. Mga mag-abot ng 60, mga 80,000 pesos. Kung sa pera natin, mura lang yun sa atin ba? Mabili lang natin yun ng 30,000 siguro. Tanggal naman ang mga kadena. Wait lang, kay tanggalin muna ni Papa. Have you ever lost a bike before, mahal? Like someone took your bike?
Yep.
You?
Yep.
Oh? And your brother too, right? Ruben?
Many times, Ruben. Me once.
Hmm? Grabe yan sila kahit nakaano na. Maghanap.
You really need to lock your bike with
Every time I go out.
Don't lock it on the wheel because they will just take off the wheel.
Yeah.
That my brother had that. He locked it on the wheel. His wheel was gone. Oh no, his wheel was still there, but the bike was gone.
That's why every time I'm going out with a bike, palaging sinasabi ni Daniel na lock your bike ha, lock your bike. Oh, baby love. Dito na po tayo. Matagal ko na gustong i-try to. Sa Hana Restaurant. Eat all you can sushi. Dali na, may bagong kanta si Nathan, guys. Ano yung kanta mo? Who let the dogs out? Yes.
In the Netherlands here, it's all you can eat, not eat all you can.
Oh yeah, all you can eat in the Netherlands. That's Sanliu. 1, 2, 3, go. Who let? Wow! Who let the dogs out? Taka, ay siya, jowa ka man dyan. Diyos ko, Lord, sarado pa. Close pa, baby love. Tex, sayawan mo na lang muna kami ng jowa mo, be.
Mama.
Ano mo na? It's still closed, ma. What time is it now? 45? Still 15 minutes? Mga, nagtatrabaho po yan sila dito. Masyado tayong napaaga, guys. Kung hindi din tayo napaaga, hindi natin makita si Bianan, di ba? Ito yung napaaga tayo. Hintay-hintay lang gubro tayo dito. Magpa-sintipid tayo kay, sa lapis kay Daniel. Kung maalala niya pa, mahaba. Nathan, come here. Mahaba ba ang buhok niya dati? Hanggang puwet. Right, mahal? Until your butt? Hindi na lang nila kami pagbuksan ba? Nakikita nila na andyan si Nathan. Paupuin man na sana tayo sa loob. Sa tagal ba? Natapos parang tayo. Sige, show them to my love.
It's not good, mahal.
No?
No. I don't know how to make it tight.
Hindi na lang nila tayo pinapapasok ba? Diba? May bata. Tapos sige.
Nathan, come here.
We're inside, guys. Oh, maghintay tayo kay gawin na nila ang sushi ngayon. Mag-order na po tayo, okay? Sabi nila kagaling dito, baby love. Alam mo bakit? Alam mo? Ang allergy ni mama, nagtanong talaga siya kung may allergy ba. Sabi ko, hindi ako pwede ng itlog at saka ng mayonnaise. So, sabi niya, nagtanong talaga siya sa boss. Bigyan ako ng ibang tablet. Kasi sa Daniel,
That means we cannot share because you don't know if there's egg in anything in our order.
but it's fine, mahal. Na yung tablet natin, guys, walang itlog, walang mayonnaise. Pinagtanggal nila yung may mga itlog.
It looks nice, that one.
Nigiri, that is eel, guys. Wow. Try it, baby love, try it. Big. Dito, tulungan ka ni mama. Ito. Lekker. Wow. Sarap naman yan. Uy, kinamay na. Sabihin natin kay Papa, Happy Father's Day. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy Father's Day. We love you, sweetie. We love you.
Oh, and I love both of you.
Ha?
Okay, so thankful.
Hindi na ang mga susi na. Grabe ka, bibili. Naano ka man. Laban talaga siya, guys. Meron pa dito. Masarap din ito para sa'yo.
Oh.
Ano, fish, okay?
Sure we
Laban lang dyan.
There's others.
Lekker? Ako.
There's others lekker.
I think alles lekker. Good. Enjoying my lab.
Yeah. Very good. You too.
Very, very. Lekker man. Ano na siya, okay na siya, mag-ice cream
That's
na
it?
daw siya. Yes.
Because then I can order a little bit more.
Nga. Hindi ko muna siya pagkainin ng marami masyado. Mamaya na ako magingin ulit. Kaya baka mag-ganyan. Meron pa naman siyang na hindi magsabi na busog na pag lalo na pag gusto yung pagkain. Hanggang sa maganyan po siya. Mga sushi ni Daniel.
They do a lot with the spicy mayonnaise.
But is it nice?
So it's good that they give you a tablet.
Yeah.
Salmon, wakame, tuna, some other stuff.
Yan yung pinakamasarap talaga o yung order din ni Nathan kanina. The eel. Very, very melts in the mouth. With the flame salmon and beef. Pag nagpunta ka sa mga eat all you can, dapat ang kinakain mo yung mga mamahalin lang pares nito ulam. Para sila ang lugi, hindi tayo. Order siya ng napakaraming sushi, guys. Yan ang makapabusog sa'yo kasi kanin ang kinakain mo. Dapat mga ganyan. Oh, yung mga ganyan. Diba? Dapat alam mo ang mga style dyan. Huwag ka masyado magkain ng sushi. Order ni Daniel, beef. Okay.
Why? You didn't expect it to be cold?
No. It's cool. Ito naman, paborito ni Maricel, guys. With cheese inside. You want? Why are you laughing? Because it's on
Because
film?
you accidentally dipped your lamb in the soy sauce.
No. Meron silang pork kawali, guys. Magtitim ako isa lang. Isa lang. You heard that? Crispy. Wow. Sarap. Last sushi with salmon. Crispy gyoza. Dragon balls with condensed milk. Paano na tayo? Pa-dessert na po
Not
tayo.
exactly.
No?
The Dragon Balls are with the bean paste inside. This is not the bean paste.
Huh? Then I'll check. What is this? Nadali ako, guys, sa dessert. Itlog siya. Grabe kalasa na itlog talaga. Mga ano lang, mga 10 seconds lang. Nangati po agad ako. Ha?
You think he needs this coat?
Yeah, just, I know. It's fine. It's not really cold. Grabe ba? Ang mga pangyayari. Siyempre, sinuka ko po agad. Kaya kung hindi ko yun isuka, hindi ako makahinga. Tapos uminom ako ng antihistamine. Okay naman po ako ngayon. Nilibre na lang good nila kami nung mga drinks na in-order namin. Napalibre pa tayo. Pero yun lang, kaya nakasuka ako. Kunti laman. Siyempre, hindi ko sinuka lahat. Pangit din. Pasensya na sa mga kumakain dyan. Sayang yung binayad natin. Doon talaga nadali yung laman niya. Madalas ako kumakain noon sa ibang restaurant, pero yun sa kasi kanila may laman sa loob. Grabe good sorry nila, tsaka yung manager din. Okay na ba daw ako? Sa libre na lang daw ang drinks. Ang kasi noon, ang hindi nila nakita, meron siyang egg powder pala daw. Okay, hindi agad nila nakita ba. Sabi namin sa kanila na para alam lang din nila na tanggalin na doon sa menu na walang itlog para next time, 'di ba, may customer na naman na mangyari na ganun ba. Maybe they're thinking that uy, the girl saw me mahal from the toilet. I was super looking like I just puked.
Yeah.
Makita niya talaga ako, kay kinausap siya ni Daniel, kay baka inisip nila para maka-free lang kami, no. Hindi siguro para sa ba ibang customer, pero nakita talaga nila na may egg powder. Maybe
also, it has egg.
egg powder, right?
Yeah, but it has egg, so
Yeah.
why will they think
Maybe.
it's not real? Because it
Yeah,
has egg.
It has egg, and they said that
And they know it.
Yeah.
Yeah. They know it now. They didn't know it before.
Oh, Oma! Ganda nung plants ni Oma dun. Dito, tingnan mo. Hello. Your roses are beautiful now, Vika.
What?
Your roses are beautiful.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah.
Ja, maar niet zo mooi als die van jullie.
Oh, yeah. Nathan, ano pang kinain mo doon? Sabihin mo kay Oma.
Yeah.
Ano?
Ik denk dat zwarte thee.
Sushi en ijsje en een peper.
Wat?
Sushi en een ijsje en een peper.
Oh, wow, wat lekker allemaal zeg.
Oh, lekker.
Heerlijk.
Dus ze hadden speciaal voor Garnet een tweede tablet neergezet waarop je kan bestellen. En dan is er alles wat
Makinig kay sa Marites na
zijn
guys.
en uitgesloten van dingen
Ja.
die iPad wel weet. Dus ze had... het was een-
Nou, mooi.
You didn't have to pay?
Jawel,
Wow.
they gave us a free drink.
Wow.
Only free drinks. But it's fine. Free drinks. Uy, itapo na yan. Ay, wag mag-akyat.
Niet naar boven lopen.
Oh ja.
Why, mahal? Vika is trying to throw that one?
Yeah, he's just taking it from the garage and bringing it back upstairs so it will be there.
Meron po tayong mga dessert dito. Yung chocolate ni Bianan. Dito na ako nag-dessert.
Hebben jullie ook de ijs gehad of zo? Ja?
Them, Nathan and
Oh ja.
Daniel.
Had jij geen zin?
Not anymore. I was afraid I will. It's good that when I ate with the egg, that's the last food that I was eating. So it's really the dessert. It waited until I finished the food that I was eating, but it's lekker.
So make up a drop in another. Go shine. I am so do the road, so do the fish, so do the dice. Body schoenen boet en dat is één. En dat is twee. En dat is dikke katten één. En dat is rechts. En dat is rond. En dat draaien weer onder.
Kunso! Yakut, Nathan. Now, kantahan mo si Oma ng ng Philippines. Ng Tagalog na naman. Ang magandang Christmas tree.
Nee.
Ayaw mo ng Tagalog.
Heb je een screenshot gemaakt van je...
Jingle bell, jingle overway.
So.
Sing over fundy. Right in the one one way.
Tingnan yung Uma niya kung nakatingin ba sa kanya.
Jingle bell, jingle overway.
Gusto taga magparinig sa Uma niya.
Oké.
Ziet er leuk uit, hè, die game.
Ja.
Ja, heel anders soort rol dan dat die andere.
Vika.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle overway. Over fundy. To right and right. Over way. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle overway. Over funny. To right and right. Over way.
Vika, he was there, Vika, and then he's singing Jingle Bells. He was always looking at you if you're looking.
Oh,
That's why he came to you. He came to you and then sing in front of you. Because
Zullen we samen nog een keer?
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in the one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in the one-horse open sleigh. Hoeveel? Laat eens kijken.
may pera siya sa kanyang bulsa. Fear.
Wauw, waarvan is dat? Van de Filipijnen? Van de Filipijnen?
No, from home.
Oh?
Sayang ulan, satu pera. Sayang uti, aso salapi. Sau zazuka, amanitaya. Sau basuka, amaikaya. Perdi sala, perdi cuchillo, di amaden. Awari carabao, a tu del. Si pitari lili, to pilak
Mulak sa tabi.
Akakat bazooka, amaripaya.
Sau bazooka.
Sausaw sa suka.
Sau bazooka.
Okay na.
Di cuchillo, di amaden. How di caraba.
Tong pakitong-kitong. Tong.
Di pitalili, di pito, ilak ba. Lula, hatapi, akakat.
Very good.
Sayang ulan.
Waar gaat het in hemelsnaam over?
Perdi sala, perdi cuchillo, di awa, how di carabao, del, di pitali, aku ay may lobo.
Nag-concert na.
Uwi pasanari, hulilana kita, hagmatok kapal, sayang perak,
Philippines.
akmayin, opo,
Over the balloon.
sa isana, hagmatok pa, ko.
Oh, kawak pa sa tiyan.